Have you ever wondered, why doesn't the Quran move you? Why do the verses feel distant, even when you know they're from Allah? Had we sent down this Quran upon a mountain, you would have seen it humbled and split apart from fear of Allah. Allah tells us something profound. If this Quran was sent down on a mountain, something massive, strong, immovable, even that would break down in humility and fear of Allah. Let that sink in. A mountain would shatter. But my heart? It sometimes feels cold. Unbothered. Distracted. This verse isn't a punishment, it's a wake-up call. The Quran isn't just information. It's transformation. But that only happens when our hearts are soft enough to absorb it. So what do we ask Allah for? We say, Ya Allah, don't make my heart harder than a mountain. Let it tremble like the rocks. Let it soften like the rain touches dry land. If your heart feels distant from the Quran, don't give up. Keep showing up. Keep listening. Because even the hardest hearts can crack, and when they do, light gets in. Comment, Ya Allah, soften my heart if you feel that distance and want it to change. Share this with someone struggling to feel connected to the Quran. Follow for more verses that speak directly to the soul.